Can you guys hear that? It's raining outside, you guys. But good morning and welcome back to another vlog.
I need a crazy bitch that's down for me. I need a little.
Okay, you guys don't know how happy that I am to be hearing rain outside, you guys. It hasn't rained in like God knows how long, but it's just amazing, you guys. I love this type of weather, you guys. You guys can see it's kind of. I don't want to get sick, but let's just close my window because I'm not trying to get sick before Christmas, you guys. But I did hope everyone had a really, really good Thanksgiving. I know I didn't vlog that day because I didn't really have much to do. Just family came over and just eat, basically. That's pretty much it. But today, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I get to go to the stores and buy some shopping, go shopping and stuff. So I don't know. Hopefully today is an interesting day, so let's get started. Touch it, Robert. Alex, touch it. Touch it.
No.
Why?
It's hot.
Touch it. Touch it. Put your hand on there like that.
You. Your hand
I did
wasn't
it 3
there.
seconds.
Nah.
You try it.
1, 2, 3.
You see, it's, I can only do 3 seconds. You try it, Alex.
1, 2.
Nah. Does it burn?
Yeah.
I call it half an
I give him that, Robert. Jose, huh? Give me that yellow lighter.
Give me a call. We got Robert the Trapster. Oh, look at that, you guys. You guys were gonna try to scare Robert. Hold up. What happened, friend?
Pop open the beast's trunk.
It's cold, huh?
That you'll find everything from firefighting equipment and oxygen tanks to a
What did I like? Dude, did I like? Dude, why have my controller?
Oh,
Dude, this is mine.
nah, make it face this way. Bring it.
Good to show you guys. Photo shoot in the process over there. Photo shoot, but we found this abandoned sugar place out here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a Y up there. Sounds loose, but look how fucking, it's scary, you guys. We're out here. Just a little quick photo shoot. Yeah, guys. Cinematic effect. In 3, 2, 1. Hold up. Imagine this shit's propane in here. Free propane. Free propane. Oh, it's just leaking water.
The boost gauge though, from the middle here.
Where the fuck is that coming from? That's just crazy. Hella smells like vintage. Old shit. Yeah. What the fuck?
That's one lock. You gotta get the other ones off too.
This one's alright, not that one.
The ones by my house too. Get back home.
Oh, stick it more down? Yeah, like right here.
Swing it. Pull it open there.
Go for it, Amos. I wonder what's in here. Let me see. Hold up in it. Stick it in here. The other way? The other way? This way. Ooh. I wonder what the fuck's in there. Fuck you.
Wait, no.
You got a fucking bee. You got a fucking bee. How the fuck do you have a bee?
Wait, no, leave it on there.
You're the scared beef?
Wait, no, it's cool, but I just told you not to move because I want to
I think he has. He's pregnant.
Wait, let me see. I get a
She's
picture. He's
pregnant.
gonna
She has
shit
some
eggs on your head.
Some white shit on you. On your side.
Let me see. I'm gonna get a close-up ass picture.
How the fuck do you have a bee on your head? So you guys, I had to be really secretive when I walked in my house right now, cause my mom got here, and today is focus. Today is Black Friday, and I went to Big Lots. She can hear me outside, but I'm gonna go pick her up something. And this is how I had to carry inside, you guys, cause she was at the door with the dog. And let me see, you guys can't really see that well, but yeah, this is how I had to carry it inside, you guys. I had to carry it like this in my back. I had to take off my jacket, but I did buy her this. I bought her this little deep washer. Since she's always liking to cook, my mom's really into cooking and stuff like that. Bought her this. It was actually pretty cheap, you guys. For the price it was actually a good deal. It was originally 25 bucks. Got it for 17. So I'm about to wrap this up for my mom. That wrapping paper up there. And yeah. There you go.
Yeah, fuck something, that girl.
Which one?
Fuck.
What?
Oh no, I forgot. No, the one that you're watching over there.
Which one? Hey. By Crazy Gorillas?
No,
Or by who?
I don't know who.
I love you, Robert. Go, Robert, boxing. Go, friend. Go. Look at this, you guys. How nice it is outside. You guys can see all those nice clouds up in the sky. Look at those big ass clouds. I put some reindeers on my car. So there you guys go. I'm finishing up the vlog for you guys. It's been so long since I last uploaded, and to be honest, it's gonna be a dope vlog. I think so. It's gonna be a pretty sick vlog, you guys. Yeah, you guys, I'm a little too dark, but I recently got these little things, you guys. It's these little let me see if I can open it. It's like, it's the little mics you hook up to right here, and then people usually do pranks with them. Well, yeah, I got one of those, and just know pranks are gonna be coming, you guys. Just know. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the next video, you guys. Peace.
That party last night was awfully crazy. I wish we taped it. I danced my face off and had this one girl completely naked. Drink my drink and smoke my weed, but my good friends is all I need. Pass out at 3, wake up at 10, go out to eat, then do it again. Man, I wanna go to college for the rest of my life. Sip Bankers Club.